For each question, select the best answer from the options below and mark its letter on the answer sheet. Water is poured into 4 measuring cylinders as shown above. Question 8. What is the average amount of water in the cylinders to the nearest 50 millilitres? First of all, let's measure the water in each of the cylinders, and we can see that the marks on the side represent 100 millilitres. So cylinder A has 400 millilitres in it. Cylinder B has 500, 600, 700, 800 millilitres in it. Cylinder C has 500, 600, and that's halfway, so it's 650 millilitres in it. And finally, cylinder D is on 100 millilitres. So to find the average of that, we would add all those together, and if we add 800 and 400, we get 1,200. Another 600 would be 1,800. Another 100 would be 1,900, and then our 50, we would have 1,950 millilitres altogether. And to find the average in each cylinder, I'm going to divide that 1,950 by 4. 4 into 1 doesn't go. 4 into 19 goes 4 times. 4 fours are 16, so that's a remainder of 3. 4 into 35 goes 8 times. 4 eights are 32, so that's a remainder of 3. And 4 into 30 goes 7 times, with a remainder of 2 if we were going to provide a decimal answer. So we have 487 millilitres, and we're asked to give it to the nearest 50 millilitres. So I'm looking for multiples of 50 which end in 50 or a double zero. Because this is closer to a double zero than to 50, we would round to 500 millilitres as the average, and therefore A is the correct answer. We would shade A as so.